Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. What is SEWA? SEWA is acronym. SEWA. Whole word is written in the block letter because it is an acronym. Acronym is a mixture of words which denotes or represent a few things which is very important. So the Self-Employed Women's Association, more commonly known by its acronym SEWA, comprised of over 1 lakh members of its Gujarat's single largest union of poor women who earn their own living. Established in 1972, SEWA aims at self-employment through self-reliance. It has its own cooperative Mahila Bank to provide low-interest loans as well as other facilities to women workers. So children, the meaning, the acronym SEWA's meaning is Self-Employed Women Association. Its name shows that it is an association which is related to, with women and those who are self-employed. Meaning of self-employed is earning. Employment means रोजगार. Self means खुद से खुद का रोजगार क्रिएट करना, to make its own employment. That is called self-employment, and it is a women's association, and it is more than 1 lakh members. So it is one of the largest single unit of poor women, those who earning their livelihood by their own, खुद से खुद की livelihood create करना. And it is established in 1972, before my born. SEWA aims at self-employment through self-reliance. Self-reliance का मतलब है खुद का realization, खुद के, I have a capability, that realization is called self-realization. खुद के बारे में पता होना कि मुझे, मेरे में ये capability है and I can do these things very nicely. This is called self-reliance. It has its own cooperative Mahila Bank to provide low interest loan as well as other facilities to the women workers. Means they give loans in very low interest. Also someone asked me about low interest. What is low interest? Interest is something when we take money from somewhere in bank, also from the people who give low money to do something, huge amount of money, not 1 rupees 2 rupees, it is about lakhs, thousands, crores. So जब ऐसे किसी को दिया जाता है तो that people जिसने लोन दिया, bank also, organization also, and normal people also, they will get something ना. वो अगर हमें आज 10,000 रुपीज दे रहे हैं तो क्यों दे रहे हैं, उनका तो कुछ प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए. दैट प्रॉफिट इज कॉल्ड इंटरेस्ट. बिकॉज अभी अगर मुझे कोई 10,000 रुपीज दे रहा है तो आफ्टर 6 मंथ द वैल्यू ऑफ 10,000 विल इंक्रीज, क्योंकि डे बाय डे जो मनी का जो वैल्यू होता है वो बढ़ता जाता है. तो उन इन दैट केस दे गिव अस 10,000 रुपीज टू 500 रुपीज पर मंथ इंटरेस्ट. जैसे 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 अगर 6 मंथ्स का है तो अगर 500 रुपीज का इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से वो देते हैं तो उनको एक्स्ट्रा 3,000 रुपीज हमें भरना पड़ेगा आफ्टर 6 मंथ. मतलब 10,000 रुपीज तो भरना ही पड़ा, उसके साथ प्लस 3,000, तो कितना हो गया 13,000. उनको जो मैंने जो लोन लिया मुझे उसको 10,000 नहीं 13,000 भरना पड़ेगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड इंटरेस्ट. जो एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट लगा, जो मेरा कैपिटल मनी से जो एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट लगा, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटरेस्ट. तो ये जो बैंक, महिला बैंक है, ये जो लोन देते हैं वो बहुत ही लो इंटरेस्ट में देते हैं. दे आर नॉट गिविंग 500 रुपीज पर मंथ, दे आर गिविंग जस्ट 10 और 20 रुपीज पर इंटरेस्ट. सो इट इज वेरी लो. बहुत ही कम अमाउंट इंटरेस्ट में मिलता है लोन, बिकॉज दे आर वेरी पुअर वुमन हु वर्क फॉर देमसेल्फ एंड दे मोस्टली व्हाट दे गेट लोन फॉर, व्हाट, फॉर परचेसिंग, सिलाई मशीन हो, ऐसे सब चीजें खरीदने के लिए, छोटी छोटी चीजें खरीदने के लिए वो लोन लेते हैं. सो दे कैन return back the loan amount to the bank. That's why they give a very low interest loan. Now this already finished, so I'm quickly move to the next slide. And now someone please read till Janice reading, I am reading again. Ila Bhatt, who founded SEWA, is a tireless social worker and a great champion of women's emancipation. What is the meaning of emancipation? Find out from the dictionary. She has spent her life campaigning to improve the conditions of exploited, unorganized women workers. Now read again abroad. Okay. So children, again I am reading it and then I will give you few words to find out. Some first word is emancipation. Second word is unorganized, exploited. Third word is exploited. Fourth word is prestigious. And fifth word is declared. Declared is easy, by the way. Now I am reading it very nice slide. Ila Bhatt is a founder of Seva. She is a tireless social worker and a great champion of women's emancipation. She has spent her life campaigning to improve the conditions of exploited and unorganized women workers and to secure a better deal for them. Ila has been honored with several awards, including the prestigious Magashashya Award, the Right Livelihood Award, the Padma Bhushan, to mention a few. She was declared the Businesswoman of the Year 2003 by the Economic Times. Ila's unique work has been an inspiration to others in India and abroad. So Ila Bhatt is the founder person of Seva, Seva, that is called self-employment of women organization, and she worked for whom she campaigning. Meaning of campaigning is to fight for some reasons, to gather people. What is the meaning of campaigning? To gather people with a thought, with a passion of doing something and do for that cause. She come together with many poor women and she give her thought, this way we will, if we are organized, so people can't exploit. एक्सप्लॉइट मीन्स किसी का शोषण करना. तो जो वुमन जिनका बहुत शोषण हो रहा था और वो अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड थे, अपना काम घर से कर रहे, समहाउ मान लो कोई गरीब वुमन है, शी इज टीचिंग वेल, तो वो कपड़े बनाती है, बनाने के बाद वो किसी को बेचने जाती, शायद अपने आसपास के लोगों को, तो वो लोग जानबूझ के जो चीज बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है पर वो मार्केट से खरीदेंगे तो ज्यादा प्राइस से खरीदेंगे, पर जब उस वुमन से खरीदने जाते हैं तो बोलते हैं नो, उनको पता है कि शी इज नीडी, सो व्हाट शी डन, जो हम भी ऐसा करते हैं कि नो मुझे तो कम पैसे में चाहिए, तो तुम्हारे खुद का बना हुआ, इट इज कॉल्ड वन टाइप ऑफ एक्सप्लॉइटेशन. वी नो द वुमन इज नीडी, शी डू वेरी हार्ड वर्क, बट वी नॉट गिव हर मनी, दैट मनी विच शी वांट, जितना उसका जो डिजर्विंग है वो नहीं दे रहे, दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्सप्लॉइटेशन वन वे. और इस अभी जो एक्सप्लॉइटेशन की बात हो रही है वो विलेज के वुमेन्स के साथ होती है, व्हेन दे गो फॉर फार्मिंग. जब वो खेतों में जाते हैं फार्मिंग करने के लिए, तो मेन और वुमन दोनों वर्क करते हैं पूरे दिन का, पर मेन का जो वेज होता है वो ज्यादा होता है. मेन को अगर 70 रुपीज पर डे के हिसाब से दिया जाए तो वुमेन को 50, जबकि वर्क तो दोनों सेम कर रहे हैं. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्लॉइटेशन. इसके लिए इला भट्ट ने क्या किया, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाया सेवा, एंड शी वर्क फॉर दैट, शी मेक देम ऑर्गेनाइज. उन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया पूरा सिस्टम और उस हिसाब से उन्होंने वर्क किया. 1 सेकेंड चिल्ड्रन, माय लैपटॉप. Yeah, so this way they're done. Okay, now who will read? And what meanings? First give me the meanings.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I speak the meaning?
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, meaning of emancipation is free from restraint, control, or the power of another.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Yeah, next. Next meaning. More word. Emancipation meaning is Arman told, na? Emancipation.
No, ma'am, I have told.
Yeah.
No, I have no.
Bansri.
Bansri, again speak.
Meaning of emancipation is free from restraint, control, or the power of others.
That you understand, we understand that कि किसी इंसान को दूसरों से एक्सप्लॉइट होने से, दूसरों के डोमिनेट होने से बचाना. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, वुमेन्स इमेंसिपेशन. तो उन्होंने, वो चैंपियन थी, शी वाज अ चैंपियन. उनको पता था कि कैसे वुमेन्स को उनके एक्सप्लॉइट होने से, टॉर्चर होने से बचाया जा सके. तो दिस इज द वे इज कॉल्ड इमेंसिपेशन. नाउ one more words I given.
Ma'am, prestigious.
Yes, prestigious means
Inspiring respect and admiration.
yes. So ये जो है ये सारे prestigious awards उनको मिले थे. That is very highly respectful. Prestigious means respectful. Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have sent in chat
Ma'am, Megasays
on
means
drawing meaning.
Ayush and who is that Vijay Makwana? So many times he's tried to join. Yeah, Veshvi, you speak and then Ayush.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Megasays means
Tell me, please.
ma'am, Megasays means
Magashashya is a community, dear. Magashashya is a community. They give award. उनके नाम का award उन्हें मिलेगा. I think she is in from Magashashya community. Ella Bhatt is from Magashashya community. तो उनके community वालों ने उन्हें एक award दिया था. That is called Magashashya community award.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Welcome, बेटा. Now Ayush.
what is livelihood?
लाइवलीहुड जीने के लिए जो चीजें जरूरत होती है, जो नॉर्मल चीजें जो हमें जीने के लिए चाहिए, दैट इज कॉल्ड लाइवलीहुड.
Okay,
Ma'am?
thank you.
Ma'am,
हाँ, यस 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 यस, कंटिन्यू.
Ma'am,
and abroad means
Abroad means foreign country, outside India, abroad. Which new
I
city?
read?
No, I will give you another slide for reading. Which new city is built near Ahmedabad? Which new city is built near Ahmedabad? कौन सा नया city है जो अहमदाबाद के पास बना है? Although Ahmedabad was initially the capital of Gujarat when the state was formed in 1960. You know, children, Gujarat is divided from Maharashtra in 1960. That time, Ahmedabad was the capital of Gujarat. It was later decided to build a new capital. When actually Ahmedabad is very congested and very fleethy. Fleethy means not properly planned, and also it is very dirty. So because of that, it is industrial built, so it is not clean. So the government of Gujarat decided to make a new capital, which is far better and planned city. A city was selected 23 kilometers away from the old city. It is India's second planned city after Chandigarh. So what formed? Gandhinagar they formed, and it is a planned city. First city which is planned city is Chandigarh, and second one is this is Gandhinagar. After Chandigarh in Punjab, Gandhinagar in Gujarat is a planned city. Planned city means a city which is formed after planning. First the plot is decided, then whole planning, like एक house जो बनता है, एक building जो बनती है, एक mall जो बनती है, तो planning के साथ बनती है. वैसे ही city भी plan किया गया. यहाँ पर hospital होगा, there is a road, the municipality things will do garbage things, all even trees, where trees will planted, that also planned. And similarly, it is laid out in numbered sectors lined with trees. Yes, city is named Gandhinagar after Mahatma Gandhi. The name of Mahatma Gandhi, the city's name was Gandhinagar, the father of nation, who was born in Gujarat. The government office moved to Gandhinagar, the new capital, in 1970. So Gandhinagar was the capital of गुजरात इन 1970, और सारे जितने गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेज है गुजरात के वो वहां पर शिफ्ट हो गए. And also chief minister house is there. Who will be the chief minister? They lived in Gandhinagar only. Yeah. Now, anyone want to ask any question? No. Can I read? Can I read? No. Ask.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of sectors?
Meaning of sectors is a portion. One portion is called one sector. Another portion is called another section. Alkapur is a one sector, and then OP Road is another sector. This division is called sectors. The city is divided in sectors. There is many sectors. एक मोहल्ला भी बोल सकते. Sector means in Hindi मोहल्ला, or is a division of places in a city.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Anything else you want to ask?
Ma'am, infinitely means
What, beta? Again ask.
infinitely means
What is the spelling? You're not pronunciation properly.
Ma'am,
last word.
Ma'am, he was telling initially.
Ma'am, initially. Initially. Ma'am,
Initially,
Ma'am,
okay,
initially.
he is
meaning,
telling initially. He is
initi-
telling initially.
Ma'am, he is telling
Yes, ma'am,
initially
initially.
meaning of initially is starting के समय जब कोई चीज स्टार्ट होता है इनिशियल स्टेज पहला पड़ाव इनिशियली चिल्ड्रन नाउ मूव टू द सेकंड स्लाइड
Okay, ma'am.
what is Akshardham? It's a very small part. Akshardham, we all know it is a huge temple. It is a headquarter of Swaminarayan sect. Sect means sector. Again, I am telling a group of people who believe in same thoughts. तो स्वामीनारायण के जो पीपल है उनका ये हेडक्वार्टर है. इट इज अ स्प्रॉलिंग मॉन्यूमेंट एट गांधीनगर. स्प्रॉलिंग मीन्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुली मेड मॉन्यूमेंट एट गांधीनगर. डेडिकेटेड मतलब किसी के लिए डेडिकेट करना, कोई चीज किसी के नाम से बनाना और किसी के लिए कुछ काम करना. इट इज कॉल्ड डेडिकेटेड टू 18th सेंचुरी सोशल रिफॉर्मर. रिफॉर्मर का मतलब होता है उत्थान करने वाले. जो सोशल रिफॉर्मर थे स्वामी सहजानंद, जिनका नाम एक्चुअल स्वामी नारायण बाद में पड़ा. तो स्वामी सहजानंद जो थे वो ब्रह्मचारी थे, वो घर से निकल गए थे एंड ही डू मेनी टाइप ऑफ वर्क फॉर द रिफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सोसाइटी. तो जो सोसाइटी के रिफॉर्मेशन के लिए उनके लोगों में बहुत सारी गलत भावनाएं भर जाती है, उन सबको बदलने के लिए जो काम करते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड सोशल रिफॉर्मर. रिफॉर्मर मतलब फिर से फॉर्म करना. फॉर्म मीन्स कोई चीज जो पहले से गलत चीज बनी हुई है उसको रिफॉर्म करना, अगेन नए तरीके से फॉर्म करना. सो इट इज अ वाइड मीनिंग. होपफुली यू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ दिस इज द लास्ट वन, बट चिल्ड्रन वी ऑलरेडी लेट. लास्ट टाइम हम यहीं पर से करेंगे स्वामीनारायण टेम्पल के नेक्स्ट प्लेस से. लास्ट वीक भी बहुत लेट हो गए थे, आपके अटेंडेंस में प्रॉब्लम होता है फिर. सो होपफुली यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. Thank you so much for supporting me so nicely. Yeah. Now you speak and those who want to left, they can left.
Ma'am,